Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's Welsh word is talwch, which means pay. Talwch, as in talwch yma, pay here. Talwch, pay.